Hi everyone, I am Kriti. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I am sure that like any other serious student, you also had big plans to study everything before the holidays started. But let's be real, things didn't go as planned, right? And trust me, it's not just you. It's the story of all of us. And it's the same with me. But yeah, festivals are meant to be enjoyed. So koi baat nahi. But now that the festival are over, it's time to get back on track. So let's get right into it. So today was the second last day of my holiday and I didn't want to waste it feeling guilty for not studying at all. So last night I had made a to-do list so that I could start with a clear plan in the morning. I woke up at 5 am. Yes, you heard that right. You know what? I am a typical night owl kind of person and waking up at 5 am in the morning during my holidays is a big thing for me. So I had made out a plan that the first thing I would study is math, specifically probability. I studied from Ritik sir. The whole length of this video was 2 hours and I completed 1.5 hours of that video, and the half of the 30-minute video I completed after doing my breakfast. Now let me tell you what happened. Why I wasn't able to complete the whole in one go, because around 7 am I felt like I should take a break or maybe a nap. So I decided to take a nap for 1 hour and I wake up at 8 o'clock. So after that I did some household chores. I also did puja. I do puja when it is a holiday or when I don't have to rush to school. So after finishing my breakfast and all, I got back to my studies and I wrapped up the last 30-minute video that I had left. And after finishing all of that video of probability, this is how my rough copy looks now. As for probability, at first I thought that it would be a super easy chapter, but it turns out to be something like it's a chapter where you have to be careful with every tiny detail in the questions. Then I did little bit of snacking. After that I decided to complete the chapter agriculture in geography. I thought that I would finish it in one go, but I only managed to complete till half of this video. You know, in geography there are a lot of chapters which are a bit longer and there are so much to remember. So I managed to get through the topics on pulses. By the way guys, let me know in the comments which sample papers you are using for maths practice, because I feel like I haven't been practicing enough and I need to improve my grasp on it. And if you have solved any of the sample papers, which one do you think are the best? I would really appreciate your suggestion. So drop down the names of the ones you recommend. And at that moment I realized that things are getting bit complicated. So instead of just rushing through, I decided to read the notes that she had provided. So I went over them and also highlighted some of the important points in my NCERT book. That way whatever I have studied will stay in my mind for a longer time and I wasn't just listening passively, I was actually learning. After wrapping geography, I took a break, but it ended up being a bit longer than expected. But anyway, after the break, I got back to complete my English copy where I have to write down the question answer of NCERT book. I follow the channel Magnet Brains for that. I prefer these because she explains the answer, and while listening to that, I write down the answers in my copy. And it makes the process less tedious and it doesn't feel like a lot of work. So I completed the question and answers of the chapter from the diary of Annie Frank and the poem Amanda. After finishing the copy completion, I decided to study a chapter in English, Mitchell the Otter, which is written by Gavin Maxwell. I watched the explanation from the Magnet Brains channel and at first I thought that it would be a super interesting chapter, but it wasn't like that. लेकिन एक चीज़ थी जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेटेबल लगी, वो थी कि जो ऑटर के पास भी वही सेम कंपल्सिव हैबिट्स थी जो हम लोग के पास होते थे बचपन में. अगर हम लोग कहीं जा रहे होते थे और अगर स्क्वायर पैटर्न्स या फिर टाइल्स दिख जाता है तो हम लोग अपने पैर को एकदम बीच में रखने की कोशिश करते थे. बचपन में क्या, मैं तो अभी भी अगर देख लेती हूँ तो नेचुरली वो हो जाता है. एंड व्हेनेवर आई फेल टू डू दिस, देयर इज अ sense of disappointment. Let me know in the comments if you also find this relatable. Today I completed most of my to-do list, but I didn't manage to finish the agriculture chapter. Still, I would say that today was much more productive than the other days. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. See you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy. Okay, bye.